Hi everyone, and welcome to another Kinder Chat. I'm Christina from Sweet for Kindergarten, and this week I'm sharing with you a really great planning tool that you can use that will save you time throughout the year. So first I want to know, do you have some form of monthly overview for all of your subjects that you refer to throughout the year? I know I didn't my first year teaching, and I realized that I was spending so much time flipping through papers and the TEs trying to figure out what I was teaching every single week. And I wasted so much time doing that. So another teacher was using just a simple one-page monthly overview where she had everything on one page, and she would just look at that every week and it would tell her exactly what she is working on. So I started switching over to that. So here is my suggestion for you. Every summer, take an hour or two, or it could be longer, take all of your different TEs and all of your different manuals and papers maybe your district gives you, and you're going to compile them onto one page per month. So this is really easy to look at, like a month by month overview. So when August would come up, I would have this just next to my desk, and it would show me exactly what I was teaching for the week. I did whatever phonics skill, reading, writing, math skills, and then usually for the month we would have like a monthly topic for science, social studies, character. We had like a character trait of the month. And then also a little spot for like important dates that you would need to remember. So it does take a little bit of time to compile this information into one place, but after you have the entire year planned out by month, you can easily tweak it as needed. You can add to it, you can write little notes on it. This has saved me so much time when planning my subjects. So here is how I would do it. I would have all of the subjects on one page. That way you're not sifting through different things. It's all right there for you. I would take out my reading TE first because that covered the majority of the areas. And I would just write down what each skill was for each week as it told me to. I would make sure I'd have the dates for the year. So I would have all the weeks in August right here. And then I would have whatever reading comprehension skill, whatever writing skill. And then I would do the same thing for math. And I would just flip through each week, put all of the different math skills in each little spot. And then usually my school, or sometimes the other teachers that you're working with, will come up with different traits for the month or different topics for the month for these subjects down here. So you can just kind of fill those in. So after you fill them all out, you'll have about 10 papers of all of your monthly planners. And it takes a little bit of time to format. I created this in PowerPoint, and I just created different tables and I just typed it in. Sometimes it works best if you just do it on paper first with paper pencil, and then you transfer it to a PowerPoint. I do have this template in my TPT store and it's editable, so all you have to do is type in your information and you're good to go. So I'll link that below, you can grab that. But I just want to say that having a monthly overview has saved me so much time. It is so much easier when I would go to do my planning, because I did plan each subject. I would plan the entire month at one time rather than planning week by week. So just another way that you can work ahead and save some time this summer. So let me know if you go check it out. Bye.